Finish what you started. I know that vision might not look like nothing right now, but I promise you, it's gonna look like something later. I know you're tired. I know that road gets lonely. I know it feels like the weight of the world is on your shoulders, but I promise you, it all gets better later. You must remember, you started this before the fear showed up, before the pressure hit, before the weight on your mind got heavy. You didn't sacrifice sleep, comfort, relationships, and go through endless pain and suffering just to stop when things got difficult. Because every difficult day, every setback, every closed door is really just asking you one simple question. How bad do you really want it? Top of the morning, ain't no money in the bag, baby. Wake that ass up. Understand this. Anybody can stay committed when it's exciting. Anybody can stay motivated when they're winning. But can you stay disciplined when nothing around you says it's working yet? Can you keep showing up when all you have is faith that one day it'll all work out? Because that's what separates the people who dream from the people who do. Because the hardest part about the journey isn't the work. It's believing the work is doing something way before the results show up. So when those days get rough and those nights get lonely, don't ask yourself if it's worth it. Ask yourself if you regret walking away from the life that you say you wanted. Because one day, you'll either be telling the story of why you quit, or you'll be living the life that you refuse to quit for. So finish what you started. Good morning. Wow!